Good morning and welcome to your morning walk here at 450 Terrace. So we received about 8-9 inches of new snow last night, and over the weekend working on some masonry, some prep, interior. What we're working on now is finalizing. We redid all the sheetrock in all these areas, so now we're going back in and cutting in. As you can see, Walter over there cutting in, Greg sanding out the drop ceiling and the soffits. See the nice work going back, freshening up all the paint so it's all fresh and new. Cutting in that window. The Venetia, of course, all the primer areas where we had the fixes, we primed with kills. Greg's working on a chase cove, and all those repairs everywhere in all rooms now ready for Venetia here tomorrow, but all that's repaired throughout the entire area. Kitchen, bath, living, pantry, dining, that whole area there. Zach's working on all the crown. So the crown molding has a little patch and repair work here and there. Going through all of it with another coat to make sure that it presents well. Cutting out a lot of cove access, finishing up the fireplace chase. Cleaning off the beams, punching out in here some of the stress fractures. Zach took care of all that. And then of course going back over the base, staining everything. That's it. So for this week, a big week of accommodating interior finishes and starting on the Venetia to be finished next week, as well as the fireplace. Finish the cove, finish prepping all of this, hooking up the fireplace, and then starting the tile. I haven't shoveled this yet, but starting the tile up here on this level. We have all the styrene, everything to fit and fill, and we'll start doing the patio work. We did a bunch of stone work over the weekend, but it hasn't yet been applied. We'd like to cut all of our stones before we start facing them, just due to weather. You can see the tiles on. Just has a face here. We're waiting on some corners to be delivered today for masonry, but everything's sealed, prepped there. Some of the stone work and all the cuts. That's it. Beautiful day. It's going to be a big week. This is the start of our 4th week back, and we should have a lot of this 3rd level patio tiled, at least the covered area. We'll have the fireplace wrapped, and we'll have the interior, 1 of 2 weeks to go on the interior to wrap, stain, paint, and Venetia.